Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Part to Perfection. Today we are going to learn how to make a very beautiful bookmark, that is a dog faced bookmark which you can use anywhere and you can make it very easily. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and watch all the videos. So let's get started. For this, we need a square sheet of paper. In the previous video, I have shown you how to make out two square sheet of paper using a single piece of paper. So I have taken one. Now we have to fold it as shown. Try to fold it very firmly to get crisp folds. Now we have to fold the corner inwards. From two sides. Let the folding come outward. You have to do the same thing for the second part. Fold from the center, open it and flip it and fold it again. You have to take the foldings inside. From the bottom, fold up to the upper part. Press it very firmly, then open it. Now you can see a small pocket. Put your finger inside that and just press the paper. Make crisp foldings. Do both of them simultaneously. When you press both of them, you will find that there is an elevation at the center. Fold it like this and from this side also. Now you have to put it and press it from the upper part. It will get a shape of a square. Now for making ears, fold them in this way. Now you can see we are just going to get our dog bookmark ready. Now what we have to do is to take a marker and doodle. I am making the nose. Now the eyes. The eyebrows. You can draw any character you want. Now I am going to have my dog a bow tie. For more such videos, please do visit my channel. For a more realistic look of my bow tie, I am going to fold it somewhat from the below. Now it's perfect. So it's so easy, you can place it inside your notebook very easily, and it is very useful for students too, and it looks so cute. In my previous video, I have shown you how to make the most easiest bookmark ever. This is that. You can watch it from my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.